Hi, boys and girls. For our functional activity today, we are going to talk about the moon phases. So before we get started, let's put our name at the top of our paper. Let's write our name. All right, just like this. Great working. All right, so for the moon phases, what happens from the moon is the whole phase is it goes from a new moon, which means we can't see the moon in the sky, to the end where it becomes a full moon, and then it goes back around to being a new moon. So a new moon, we can't see it all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna color this first moon all black, okay? All black. All right, there is the new moon. See, you can't even see that it's a moon. It just looks like a dark circle in the sky, okay? So the next moon we're gonna draw is the half moon. So half of the moon, we're gonna be coloring dark, okay? So we can go ahead and color half of the circle dark. All right, there's half of our circle that's dark. All right, so this half would be where the moon is. So there might be some craters over here, but that's our moon, okay? And actually between the new moon and the half moon, there's a crescent moon here, but we're not gonna talk about that today. All right, so the next step would be a full moon. So we're not gonna do anything other than maybe just add a couple craters to our moon. We're gonna make it kind of look like a cookie. There's our moon, okay? So then the next step would be going backwards to a half moon. So going back to the full moon is gonna be a half moon. This time though, the other half is gonna be colored in, okay? So this is our half moon. And then we can have this side have some craters. There we go, there's our half moon. So see, it goes from the new moon to the full moon and back to the new moon. So that's our cycle. So you'll see throughout the month, I believe it takes 28 days to get through this whole cycle. So for each week, you're gonna see the moon is gonna be at a different stage, okay? So it should look like that. So we can finish our picture now that we talked about our moon phases, and let's color in our earth, right? So remember, our water is always blue, and we can color the land part green. All right, so let's go ahead and we can color in, our water. All right, so your picture should look somewhat like mine. All right, so all of this here is going to be blue. And I believe we talked about it last week that the earth is made of 70% water. So you should color most of the earth blue. Just like that, all right? And then the rest of the earth, we're gonna color green because that's our land, okay? So we'll color this whole part here green. All right, so all of this we are coloring green. Can't forget down here. All right, and then let's get over here. All righty, almost done. Make sure there's no white left. All righty. There is our earth, okay? So what we can do to finish off is we can color our sun, and the sun is nice and bright and it's yellow. So let's go ahead and color the sun here. I'm just gonna outline it here before I bring it up to show you. All right, so we can go ahead and color in our sun here. Let's make sure there's no white left. All right, just like that. Awesome job, boys and girls. You did so great. We're gonna sing a song about the moon next. I'll see you then. Bye.